Hello, people. I'm your great Cheshire Cat. Here is a day in my life. On an average day, I wake up and get ready to go on an adventure. I wash, dry, and brush my fur. I don't need to necessarily brush my teeth because I absolutely love the yellow. Now it's time to go outside. Stop playing that rubbish, you rabbit. Anyways, let's continue the adventure. Ooh, I see a picnic over there. I am so hungry. Let's go steal some food from that family over there. Ha ha ha! I got away with it once again.